Hi everyone, I'm Amy Needle with Historic Philadelphia. Happy holidays, Happy New Year. Before I begin, I'm going to take off my mask because we're all separated and we're in a safe place. I hope you all are having a great holiday season. We're going to get ready and do a couple of crafts for New Year's. And so today I'm going to show you how to make a noisemaker. And so the supplies that you'll need, I think, are everything that you have probably at your house. Either a paper towel, inside of a paper towel roll, inside of a toilet paper roll, all that toilet paper we were all trying to grab for the pandemic, some rice or beans or glitter for cookies, and some aluminum foil, or if you don't have aluminum foil, tissue paper or even toilet paper, and some rubber bands, and then anything you want to do to decorate. I have stickers and pens, and then if you don't have a paper towel holder or toilet paper roll, you can also do this with just a water bottle or an empty bottle. So first thing you have to do is decorate your toilet paper roll. I decorated mine before I came here with 2021 and hearts and stars and flowers, and so that's the first thing you just need to do. And you can put stickers on it, you can do whatever you want to decorate it. The next thing you do is you will attach the bottom of it, or top, with the aluminum foil. And all you have to do is just attach it with a rubber band, and just like 2 times around will do the trick. And then the fun part, just take some rice or beans or really whatever you have in your house. You probably want to ask your parents first what you can use, and make sure that it's safe, and then pour the rice in, and then take the other aluminum foil, wrap it around the top, and again, close it up. So now you have the startings of your shaker for Happy New Year. Yay! Really quickly, if you want to use the water bottle, you can also obviously do the same thing. Just pour your rice into a water bottle. It makes such a great sound. I also brought cookie decorating. We've been decorating a lot of cookies in my house, so I had a lot of extra cookie decorations, and that'll just make it really pretty. And then close the bottle, and then you can add all sorts of stickers and decorations to it. I'm adding suns and beach scenes. Here are my stickers to hopefully make it a warm and happy New Year. So that's how you do it. Pretty easy. I hope you have a great New Year's Eve, and happy 2021.